short little video on this detector, this smoke detector here. I have power. This is 24 volts power. This unit's ran off 24 volts. It could be ran off of 120 as well, but we're using 24 volts in this particular case, and it comes right off the transformer. So I added in 2 little spade connectors to tie into the 24 volt side of the transformer. So that runs up to those 2. Next to that, we have our auxiliary power, 20 and 19, so 19 and 20, they all are polarized, positive and negative power. That goes to the remote test reset switch downstairs, the annunciator. So make sure those are wired in correctly. Then we have, next to that, our alarm signal. Right there's the white wire. And we have our reset and our test next to those. Those go to the annunciator downstairs. I have my 24 volts wired into common and normally closed on auxiliary A. So once this smoke detector trips, so it's blue and white, I have my blue and white. So 24 volts goes into the blue, out the white, and then feeds power to the system. So when it trips, it kills 24 volts to this system. So that would open up any contactors if the contactors will trip. You don't want to wire it into R. You don't want to break R, because sometimes there's a delay, so the blower continues to run for a certain amount of time when it's de-energized. So you want to kill the power right off the transformer. Some systems have spots where you plug them right into the circuit board, and the circuit board manages all that. So you'll have to read the installation instructions on the rooftop unit. So that is wired there. If this has a fire monitoring system, like another company is monitoring the smoke detectors, they will have this wired up as well. They will be tapped into it, but they will have a resistor going from power to common on supervisory. Normally closed and normally open are opposites when this module is de-energized. So when 24 volts is not supplying power to this unit, normally closed is actually open, and normally open is actually closed. So once this power is up, those automatically, so normally open automatically closes, and normally closed automatically opens. Don't ask me why, because I don't exactly remember at this moment, but it has something to do with monitoring the system. Oh, well, they can also tell if you remove that this head there. If you remove that head to bypass the smoke detector, that will send a signal, and it will be a supervisory signal. They'll be able to see that. So that's that.